Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing a topic that many travelers don't even know about: how to claim compensation for a delayed flight using your credit card. If you've ever had a flight delayed, you might be entitled to compensation, especially if your credit card comes with built-in travel protection. But how does that work exactly? Let's break it down step by step so you can get your money back without any hassle. So, if you had a delayed flight and used your credit card to book it, you're in luck. Many major credit cards offer travel insurance as part of their benefits, which often includes compensation for delayed flights. This means if your flight is delayed for a specific number of hours, depending on your card's policy, you might be able to claim a refund for the inconvenience. But don't worry, I'm here to help you through the process. First, you need to gather all the documents related to your flight, including your booking confirmation, boarding pass, and proof of the delay. Most credit cards will require this information for your claim. If the delay was caused by something within the airline's control, such as technical issues or staff shortages, you're more likely to get your compensation approved. Now, the easiest way to streamline this process is to use Compensair. They help you file your claim with the airline, so you don't have to deal with the complicated paperwork yourself. It's a fast and effective service that ensures you'll get the compensation you deserve. Make sure to follow the link in the description below to get started on your compensation claim today. Once you've filed your claim, the credit card company or the airline will review your case and process your refund if you qualify. This can sometimes take a few weeks, but rest assured, it's a great way to make up for the inconvenience caused by the delay. Imagine getting a refund or compensation for just a few minutes of work. Sounds good, right? Now that you know how to claim your delayed flight compensation using your credit card, don't forget to check your card's terms and conditions to see what kind of coverage you have. And if you need help, don't hesitate to use the service mentioned earlier. Compensair is here to help you get what you're owed. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up so we can keep bringing you more valuable tips.